Well, y'all, I found an easy way to close off those metal ridge caps without taking the screws out, without having to take them off. They say this happens to a lot of people, customers get roofs put on, and they don't put the closures underneath them. Well, the same thing happened to me, and so I was sitting there talking to the good Lord last night about how He made the male and female anatomy and how they fit together. And I remembered that I'd got some insulated pipe covering, and it has a slit up through it, and it goes right around that water pipe. And so thought came to me, get you one of those, put it on there. And I got a piece of that right here on the old water pipe. It's been on there, been outside in the weather about 5 years. Cats were scratched on it a little here and there, but still it's as tough as it was 5 years ago when I bought it new. Yeah, and that was a ½ inch. That's the size that I got. All right, here's how it works. Got these little pipe insulators. They're only for a 6-foot piece. It's like $1.98 up there at Lowe's. It's got the slit right there in the middle. You can take and just open it right down the middle. Like so, all the way down. It opens right up there, see? And all you have to do is take and cut it right down the middle. You can get 2 out of 1. So instead of 6 foot, you get 12 foot. Put it right down the middle. Cut it to the length you need. Then I'll show you how it goes up under the ridge cap. Okay, then you just take the pieces you cut. You just go to your ridge cap like that. Slide it right up under there. That's a good snug fit. It's holding tight. Rubber actually kind of grips to that metal. Slide it right up under there like so. Get it the way you want it. You got it. That's a fast and easy way to close off those ridge caps when they leave the closures out. Alright. Hope that helps y'all. It helped me. Save a lot of time. God bless y'all.